my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you found me. I hope you enjoy your stay and you want to come back for more videos. If you do, click that subscribe button down below. Click the little bell next to it, and that will let you know when I upload new videos. Welcome back to all my returning friends. I'm so glad you guys are here. I am doing a DIY. I'm going to share with you how I mount my cross stitch. So this is the latest one, latest one that I did of the frog parking only. All others will be towed. I need to clean up the frame a little bit better. This is one of my frames I got from the Goodwill, but I'm going to show you how I put this all together. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use my rotary cutter that I just got from Joann's, and then I have my frog fabric, and then of course the frog cross stitch, and then the frame that I'm going to put it in. And then this is the mat that I'm going to mount the fabric on. And then to glue, or not to glue, to adhere the frog on there, I'm just going to use my double-sided tape. So this is 8 by 11. Yep, 8 by 11. So what I'm going to do is measure out my fabric. And I don't need, I want to make, well, that's not going to matter because that's going to be in the cut down side. And I'm just trying to remember what side I ironed, and I believe it's this side here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it on the back side. I'm just going to make a little mark. So 1 to 11. Make my mark on the back of that. Find one of my darker markers. Eight. And then going to use the cutter, which I gotta remember how to use this. So I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. Okay, so I measured it out and I cut, so it's been 8. Now I'm gonna do it by 11. And if it goes under, it's fine because it's gonna be covered in the frame. Not the straightest line, but that'll work. So I'm gonna save that for later. So for that, I'm just going to peel off the paper on here to get my thumbs in there. And just to get the backing off and not peel the glue off is not working very well. There we go. And then I just mount this on the board. And then just smooth it out. And then take the paper off. And it looks like it's a little bit bigger, which is fine, which I will either cut the edge off. Sometimes I will take the edges and fold them over, but with it going in the frame, I don't want the extra stuff in there, so it'll fit in the frame really well. So what I'm going to do is flip this over, take my cutter and just go on the edge. Keep it on the fabric and not the board. Just cut the excess off. Try that again. Same with this side. Yeah, I really didn't cut that straight. Just remove all of the edge. Let's put a little bit on this side. So there's the frog. Now with the cross stitch part, I'm going to fray the edges, and then to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off, because I want it just to, probably going to leave 5 rows and then fray 2. So each of these squares, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm probably going to fray 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to cut off 1, 2, 10. Yeah. So I'm just going to follow the line. All the way up and just cut that off. And then I'm going to go all the way around and just have it so it's just a narrow edge around it. Now to fray the edges, I am just going to, normally I have a needle in here. Let me see if I have one in my sewing kit. And then I'm just going to pull out 3 rows of the fabric, and that will fray the edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want all of that. And then it's going to have that nice frayed edge on there. Okay, so I have all the edges frayed on that. So I'm just going to take this, just kind of even it out. And now I'm just going to put tape around the outer edge on the back side of this. Don't look at the back side. The back side is never pretty. So I just take my double-sided tape, mash it down. So, and then I'll just take it, eyeball it, and then just smooth it out on there. I'm careful of going over the little French knots so I don't pull them out. I'll just kind of go over the areas where I know I put the tape on. And move all my stuff out of the way. The frame, which I need to get some other little clasp on that because that one broke. I may not put that back in there, but I gotta clean the glass up, but I just wanna put this in there. So see, if I would have had the extra fabric around the outer edge of that, it would not have yeah, I don't think I'm going to put that in there because we have this. So I need another holder. And then there is the finished product. And there you go. That's the finished product. I really love how this turned out. It's so cute. I love the frayed edges, how you can do that on there, but just something really cute. I'm hoping my sister-in-law likes it. I'm going to take the frog back out of here and I'm going to clean the frame up really good. Excuse me, this is one of my Goodwill frames that I got last week. I'm going to clean that up, clean the glass up really well, get a new hook to put on there to hold the back of it in there. But that's my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And until next time, remember to live a little, laugh a lot, and love always. Bye, guys.